We travel throughout India, not only taking in its sights and sounds, but also facing steep challenges. एक सच्चा मुसाफिर सफर की कद्र मंजिलों से ज्यादा करता है, पर हर सफर अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच ही जाता है. Just like we have reached the last and final day of India Adventures. It is said that fortune favors the brave. It is time we found out which is the bravest team of them all. It is time for India Adventures. वो शो जो आपको अभी तक तो मुसाफिर बना ही चुका होगा, है ना?
In part 1 of the grand finale, 2 of our 3 teams were going neck to neck in both the tasks. Let's see if the close competition continues till the very end.
We are here for the final task of the final day of India Adventures. I have these clue cards in my hand. Each team gets one clue card. As you're about to get into the car, you will open the clue card and see the clue. Every team leaves at an interval of 15 minutes. And the winner will be decided depending on the total time taken from the starting point to the end point, plus the disadvantage. Come and get these. Guys, we're in the mountains and the roads are very tricky. Make sure you don't overspeed. In fact, be below speed limit. The performance task is mentioned on the clue cards. I will meet you directly at the judgment point. Good luck!
Thank
and
you.
run!
Thank you.
In this final journey on India Adventures, the teams will travel through the Spiti Valley, first from Chatru to Kunzum Pass, then on to Losar. From Losar, it will be a long drive to the Key Monastery and then on to the final destination of Kibbar village. The total distance covered will be 105 kilometers.
टीम कलर के 5 फ्लैग्स लेकर साथ आगे बढ़ते चलो. We have to go to Kunzumla.
Kunzumla.
For the first task, the teams will have to go to the Mata Mandir 44 kilometers away, situated at the 15,000 feet high Kunzum Pass. Prayer flags are everywhere at the Kunzum Pass. Buddhists believe that the prayers written on the flags will be blown by the wind all around and will spread their goodwill. The 5 colors of the prayer flags represent the 5 elements. Blue symbolizes the sky and space. White symbolizes the air and the wind. Red symbolizes fire. Green symbolizes water. And yellow symbolizes earth. Situated at a height of 15,000 feet, the rugged terrain of Kunzum Pass, its cold climate and the breathtaking landscape all around makes it a dream for travelers as well as a challenge.
प्रेयर कहाँ करते हैं वो देखना
है प्रेयर फ्लैग वहाँ पे अपने फ्लैग्स लेने हैं भाग लो जल्दी से निकाल लो
It was a waterfall and we ran the duster through it, so it was a very nice scenic drive. क्या जगह है. अब देखो हम दिन में जा रहे हैं इधर, कितनी सुंदर लग रही है.
This is place of its own kind, yeah.
Beautiful drive, beautiful drive. Finally we reached Kunzumla.
Yeah, so we started walking and the pressure got to us because...
There were so many flags. Raman, Datta!
5 together!
Yeah.
Found them.
Yeah. यही हमारे 5 flags in the yellow color एक साथ लगे थे, तो I'm assuming these are ours.
Found it. Yeah, amazing.
Okay, second clue. Mr. Tenzing Upasak at a jewelry shop. Jewelry dude. I'm just doing jewelry dude.
Let's go.
After collecting the prayer flags, the teams have to go to Losar, which is 19 kilometers from the Kunzum Pass.
So we are at Mr. Upasak's jewelry shop in Losar Gumpa, and he's helping us out in handing over these karnalis to the contestants. They will be coming here anytime and he will be handing over to them these karnalis, and they will be continuing their journey from here.
The Karnali is a traditional music instrument from Himachal. It is like a trumpet and was used in religious ceremonies.
Finally,
Finally, we have reached to the
कुंजम, हाँ. और अभी मुझे हमारे फ्लैग्स भी दिख रहे हैं.
Tenzin, we're coming for you, mister.
Mom, आप जहाँ थक जाओ रुक जाना.
As it was on height, we were getting short of breath because we had to walk a lot. नहीं, ये ज़्यादा है.
क्या मॉम?
ये बहुत ज़्यादा है.
इतने सारे फ्लैग्स में हमें अपने 5 फ्लैग निकालने थे.
जहाँ हम देख रहे थे कहीं 10 थे, कहीं 4 थे, कहीं 3 थे, and they were so much entangled with each other. It was difficult to find 5 flags.
मॉम ये रहा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मॉम ये रहा यार.
Mom,
After that, finding those flags and then coming back to car was hectic.
बैठो.
वो तो नहीं है prayer flags.
yes, I guess वही जगह होगी. इतने सारे flags लगे हुए हैं. Sir, Losar Gumpa.
You have to first get down and ask people for the store.
I go ऊपर, you go straight. Dude, let's do this.
Straight क्यों? There were like thousands of flags, man. Searching like 5 flags together was a task. These are the 5 flags together. We were lucky enough to get those in real quick time. Maybe इससे हमें advantage मिल जाए यार.
ये यहाँ रख दो. चलो, first task done यार. मैं देखता हूँ.
Very, very far away.
It could be.
तुम्हें पता है टेंजिंग उपासक कहाँ है?
Tenzing Upasak. चल.
Mr. Tenzing Upasak. Oh, do you have Karnali? Okay, cool. Laman!
ये Tenzing Upasak.
मॉम जल्दी चलाओ.
चलो.
Tenzing कौन है यहाँ पे? आप
वहाँ जाते ही हमने पूछा Mr. Tenzing, and luckily we found that man, and he gave us that big musical instrument, man.
चलो.
रोड्स तो थी ही नहीं, लगा लो ऑफ रोड ही चल रहे थे हम सीधा.
वो बहुत क्रेजी था.
To collect the next object, the contestants have to travel a long distance to the beautiful Key Monastery. which is 35 kilometers away. After the teams reach Ki Monastery, they need to go to the 3 Buddha statues located in the monastery grounds. There they will have to collect a prayer wheel and continue on to the next task. But all that and more after a short break.